Volkswagen Eurovan automatic transmission 2.8 VR6. I think it's a 2003, and I'm just about to replace the notorious oil cooler and transmission cooler. This is the guy. Goes on to the top of the transmission like that. One of the cooling line goes in, water cooling. The other one goes there, and it meets with the transmission coolant, the transmission oil. So the transmission won't, this is made so the transmission won't overheat, but it's pretty shitty design because this is not a long-lasting thing. It usually breaks through, probably it's on purpose though. It breaks through and mixes up the water. The coolant mixes up with the transmission oil, and the transmission goes crap. And now I'm going to replace it because I found some coolant in the transmission. And after I'm done with that, I should flush the transmission several times, because you cannot really drain easily the whole amount of transmission fluid. So I will flush the transmission fluid, fill it up, run the car, go around the block, and then refill the transmission fluid to the right amount. It's a pretty good car, and this is really this guy is well maintained. Barely has miles, 100 something thousand. It's still really good for these. And these engines are good until it's not. These are well-made engines and torquey, especially these with the 24 valves. I think around 99 they switched from 12 valve to 24. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove a few of these